I want to encourage people interested in investing. As a city, we are ready to support and all activities in the Albertine Graben in oil and gas. The Hoima city is the host, is the transaction city, so please take opportunity and come in the city. Anytime we are there to encourage and support you, whatever you need. As the mayor and the team in the city, we are ready to support. Thank you so much. And Housing Finance recently opened up a branch in Hoima City, and I was part of the team during the opening. Thank you, MD, for the work. Thank you so much.
By the way, I need to, before you leave, Honorable, call us if they're still here. They're building, coming up with an industrial park in Hoima that will be focusing on the petroleum products. So you need to exchange numbers and see how to make this happen. I
want to appreciate callers because I've visited them. They are community encouraging, they work with the community, they support, they employ our people. I've visited time and again and I've looked at their structure. Indeed, our people are playing a role in their company and I want to appreciate them.
Uganda is home to the warm Ugandan people, a beautiful landscape, and vast wildlife species. It is known today for having the most cherished natural resources, oil and gas in Hoima district. Unfortunately, many of the people remain poor due to limited access to education, healthcare, clean water, and entrepreneurship skills. The Ugandan government has implemented numerous programs to bring these services closer to the people, but it cannot do this alone. We are SBC, a joint project between SBI International Uganda and Colas UK, and we are here to develop Hoima International Airport and turn it into a vibrant and thriving hub for international trade, tourism, and business. But we are not here just to make an airport. We are here to make a difference. This is because we are now part and parcel of the Ugandan community, and as such, we believe we must contribute to make a better life for our neighbors and friends. That is the Ugandan way. We make an impact by reaching out with a helping hand in many areas like education, health, sports, and improving the livelihoods and environment of these communities.
Most of the workers, about 60%, they reside in our area. That one has improved on business around the area. People are enjoying, we are getting tenants from the workers of SBC. So that one has improved on our income generating activities. We are getting rent, we are getting food, they are buying food from us. That one has improved on our financial status in the area compared to as it was in a long time ago.
The future is children, and the future is technology. We at SBC want to make sure that the children of our community are fully up to date with the technology needs of the modern world.
SBC has cleaned for us a good room for learning computer. We have many computers and we are able to learn a lot.
To ensure that they are learning in a clean environment, we renovated their classrooms and toilets. Sports is an invaluable asset when it comes to bringing communities together, and that is why we love to play. SBC fosters the spirit of sports here in Hoima. SBC has facilitated schools and communities with kits and equipment for their netball and football teams. Look out for the next Ugandan champion. They might come from here.
By virtue of what we do here, we happen to be offering services to vulnerable children, those who have been abandoned, those who have lost their parents at birth, most especially SBC has come in to show their support toward what we are doing by making several contributions. They painted our pavement, veranda, burglar, and 5 pillars, painting our 3 bathrooms, the laundry, the toilet, the laundry and bathroom doors. We replaced some 4 flush toilet systems. They helped us with the floor tiles in 4 toilets and 3 bathrooms. They helped us with the renovation of the toilet veranda, a merry-go-round children game structure, and some toilet brushes, name it. So we are very, very grateful. And those contributions have made an impact. Our children felt very happy that they are loved even by people outside there. And they feel good that they are as useful as other children who have their parents, who have people around them. May God richly bless SBC.
Looking after one another is a cornerstone of community building, and looking after one another means taking care of health. Communities have had challenges in the past with few doctors and poor access to health facilities, leaving the people in desperate need of medical attention. SBC now sustains a troop of doctors from Israel who work with the community in Chiboga to provide much-needed medical service and transfer of knowledge to the people free of charge. In Hoima, we have renovated medical facilities and donated ambulance services, beds, and beddings to the local hospital.
We had issues with the bed capacity, but following SBC's donations, it has improved on our bed capacity. And currently we can be able to accommodate quite a number of mothers in our postnatal, and also can be able to deliver at least 2 mothers at one time. Previously, a mother would get some complication in the course of delivery, and we would struggle so much to look out for transport to be able to shift this mother to the next higher level. But following SBC's entry into our community, we've been able to benefit from that ambulance, and we are so much happy and excited in that regard.
Water is life. Clean and safe drinking water is critical to sustaining healthy human life. We have built 13 boreholes with the goal that each village will have access to clean water for human beings, animal and agriculture in walking distance.
We used to have bad water. We used to use bad water like ponds and these valley dams. But since they came, they saw our problems. They got us some boreholes in our area. So on that aspect of health and sanitation, they got us some boreholes. So people now are enjoying good water from safe source of water. So that one has changed the life and the rest of people around the area.
We are committed to fulfilling the potential of this beautiful, vibrant and promising land so that the Hoima International Airport not only contributes to the development of Hoima and Uganda, but leads to a better life for all.